Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will request you to like and subscribe my channel friends. Today I am introducing you a new earning website, bmwusdt.com. Here you can make more and more profit. If you want to change the language, you can click here and you can select the language as per your area and country. So now I will tell you how to register in this website. You can register through email or you can register by phone. So I will register with my email and I will meet you after my login. First of all, you will enter your email address here, then you will enter your password, then you will click here to sign up and you will be registered in this website. So we will meet soon. So friends, I have logged in the website. Here you can see the announcement, and here you can see in VIP1 you will deposit 11 USDT. Daily income is 3.16 USDT. In VIP2 you will deposit 66 USDT. Daily income is 20 USDT. In VIP3 you will invest 156 USDT. Daily income is 52 USDT. In VIP4 you will invest 105 USDT. In VIP5 you will invest 666 USDT and you will get 250 USDT daily. In VIP6 you will get 555 USDT daily, while you will deposit 1400 USDT. In VIP7 you will deposit 3000 USDT and you will get 1300 USDT on daily basis. In VIP8 and 9 you will deposit 5700 and 10,000 respectively, while you will get a profit of 2500 and 4700 USDT daily. In VIP10 you will invest 29,000 and you will get 16,000 USDT daily, and you have also a rebate option. If you can a strong team, you can get three kind of rebates, which is for level 1 you can get 15%, B level team you can get 3%, and for C level you can get 1%. You have also another chance if you will invite 5 A level VIP1 and get VIP1 for free. If you will invite 4 A level VIP2 and you will get VIP2 free. If you get 3 A level VIP3 and you will get VIP3 for free. So you have a good chance to make your earnings. And here this is the website. Here you can see recharge withdrawal. If you want to download the app, you can click here, and here it is company profile. You can check the profile. You can also see that this is a registered company and you have no fear to lose your money at any stage. These are the task hall, and here you can see the member list and commission list, which are people receiving from all over the world. These are the tasks you have to be completed. If you will not complete task, you cannot get anything from the website. And here are the VIPs, so you can check the VIP. Investment is 11 USDT, daily profit is 2 USDT, and for 60 days in VIP2 you will invest 390 USDT and 66 USDT and you will get 13 USDT daily profit. VIP3 and VIP4 you will invest 156 and 298 USDT, while you will get 30 and 60 USDT on daily basis. These are the same VIPs which I have already told you, and this is your profile. If you will click at me, it is my profile. Here I can check account, recharge, withdrawal and financial records. I can check here transfer records. I can check here. If I want to change the password, I will click here and I will change the password. So friends, now I will tell you how to recharge your account. Come at recharge. So you can recharge through QR code or you can copy the address, and I will tell you the recharge sheet. In recharge you will come at TRC20 and you can recharge through QR code or you can copy the address. I will copy the address from here, then I will go to my wallet. In wallet you will come at send USD TRC20 page and I will paste the address which I have copied from the website. Then I will enter the amount. I have to deposit 11 USDT, so I will write the amount 11 USDT. Then I will click here to next and I will confirm payment from my wallet. After confirming payment from my wallet, I will again come at website and I will click here to recharge complete and my account will be recharged. So friends, after recharging my account, you can see that VIP1 has been opened for me. So I will go to task and I will complete one task. So keep remember that you have to complete your task on daily basis. If you will not complete, you cannot get anything from the website. So I am completing my task. It's running now, and in a short while it will be completed. So it has been completed, and I have earned 2 USDT from this website. So now we can go for withdrawal and we can check how much I have earned from this website. So I will go to withdraw, and here You can see that I have earned 2 USDT, so I will write the amount 2 USDT and then I will go to my wallet. In wallet I will come at receive USDT RC20 page and I will copy the address from here and then I will go to website again. At website I will paste the address which I copied from my wallet and then I will enter my security password and then I will click here to confirm, and it will be confirmed and it will be completed in a short while. Withdraw will be succeeded and it is running now and it will be completed. So withdrawal has been successful. So friends, you can see that 2 USDT has been added into my account. You can also check the timing of my cell phone and the timing of the withdraw. These are the same. It means that I have withdrawn 2 USDT from this website. So friends, you saw that within 5 to 7 minutes I have withdrawn 2 USDT from this website. You can also get this money and more than this. Just join my team and share your referral code and referral link. This is a referral code and referral link. You have to share this link on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Where you think that you can manage a good team, you can share your link and you can also invite your friends and family members. As much your team will be strong, you can get more and more benefits from this website, which are for level 1 15%, for level 2 3%, and for level 3 this is 1%. So you have a great opportunity to increase your income without any hard work. Just join my team, join bmw.com, where you can change your lifestyle with heavy earnings. So thank you so much to watch my video. We will meet in next earning video. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.